skills to analyze electrical signals and performance data, identifying potential issues that might not be immediately apparent. Section 4. Predicting the future, AI and predictive maintenance. The smooth operation of a PCB manufacturing facility relies heavily on the health and uptime of its equipment. Unexpected breakdowns can lead to costly production delays. AI offers a proactive approach, predictive maintenance. AI-powered systems continuously monitor equipment sensors, analyzing data such as temperature and vibration. AI algorithms identify early warning signs of potential failures. This allows manufacturers to address issues before they escalate, minimizing downtime and reducing maintenance costs. This is the power of AI-driven predictive maintenance. Section 5. A smarter supply chain, AI-enabled supply chain management. The PCB manufacturing process relies on a complex and often global supply chain for components, materials, and equipment. Managing this intricate network efficiently is crucial for maintaining production schedules and meeting customer demands. However, traditional supply chain management systems often struggle to cope with the inherent uncertainties and volatilities of the global market. AI is revolutionizing supply chain management by introducing greater visibility, predictability, and responsiveness. AI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, including supplier databases, shipping manifests, and even real-time traffic and weather information. This comprehensive view allows for more accurate demand forecasting, optimized inventory management, and proactive identification of potential supply chain disruptions. For instance, imagine an AI system detecting a potential delay in component shipments from a supplier affected by political instability. The system can proactively reroute shipments, identify alternative suppliers, or adjust production schedules to mitigate the impact of the disruption. This level of adaptability and resilience is essential for navigating the complexities of today's globalized economy. Section 6. Navigating the future, ethical considerations and conclusion. The integration of AI into PCB manufacturing offers unparalleled efficiency and precision. However, this leap comes with ethical considerations. A significant concern is the potential displacement of human workers. Prioritize ethical AI development and workforce retraining. By addressing these, we can harness AI's power for innovation in the electronics industry.